Jai Gurudev students, welcome to Maharshi Vidya Mandir. I am Dipali Ishwarkar, your maths teacher. Now we are going to start the first lesson, set. This lesson is very important as the concept of this lesson are used in the class 12th also. Even have a good weightage in a competitive exam. Let's see the flow chart of sets. First point, introduction of the sets. Second, representation of the sets. Roster form, set builder form. Third point is types of the sets. Finite, infinite, empty set, power set, universal set. Fourth, subsets. Fifth, Venn diagram. Problems can solve easily using the Venn diagram. Fifth point, union sets, intersection sets. Sixth point is complement of the sets. Seventh, practical problems on the union and intersection of the sets. Long question of a 6 mark is always asked on this topic. Definition of a set. Set is a well-defined collection of the object. For example, set of a natural number is a set because here mentioned the natural number. Second, rivers of India is also a set because whatever the rivers are there in India, we can make the set. Next is best of your class student is not a set because the best student can be depend on their study, whether their games or their singing, or it is not mentioned. That's why it is not a set. Symbols used to represent the sets are the capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And the elements of the sets. This element is also called as object. Members also is represented by a small letter X, Y, Z. Next topic, representation of the sets. There are two methods of representing the sets. One is a roster or tabular form and second is a set builder form. Then what is a roster or tabular form? All elements of the set are listed. Elements are being separated by the commas. Elements are enclosed with the braces, that is curly bracket. For example, set of all natural number which divide 42. This we can write 1 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. These are nothing but the factors of a 42. Therefore, each element is separated by the commas and enclosed by the brackets. Okay. Next, elements are listed are immaterial. Means if we will write set A is equal to 4, 5, 6, it can be written as 5, 4, 6 also. No repetition of the element. If the school we have to write in the set form, then we are writing S, C, H, O. O is double in the later word school, but we have to write one time O and L. Next form is set builder form. In this form, all elements of the set possesses a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. For example, set A is a set of x colon x is a natural number. How we will read this set? We can read as A is a set of all x such that x is a natural number. Few more examples of the sets are particularly in the mathematics are set of natural number, it is denoted by capital N. The set of all integers are denoted by capital Z. Set of all rational number denoted by Q. The set of all real numbers denoted by R. The set of all positive integers denoted by Z plus. Set of positive rational number is denoted by Q plus, and the set of positive real number denoted by R plus. If A is an element of a set A, then we say that a small a belongs to a. The Greek symbol belongs. This belong sign is C we have to write, and from the middle we have to draw a line. This is not a E. Okay. E is used to denote the phrase belongs to. Thus we can write A belongs to capital A. For example, if a set A has the element 1, 3, 5, then 1 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A. But is it 2 is here? That's why we will write does not belongs to A. 4 does not belongs to A. Now we will start the exercise 1.1. The first problem, which of the following are the sets, and justify your answer. First, the collection of all the months of the year beginning with the letter J. Now in the year 12 months are there, and which are start with the J, that is January, June and July. So it forms a set. Second, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. We cannot form the set because it is not well defined. Talented writers means whether it is a comedy writer, whether it is that is horror film writer. So it is not mentioned. That's why we cannot form the set. A team of a best cricket batsman of the world. We cannot form the set because they haven't mentioned here the best cricket batsman they had said, but not of a one day match or not of a test match. That's why. Collection of all boys in your class. If we are having the 60 strength in our class, then if 35 is the boys and 25 the girl, we can form a set. Collection of all natural number less than 100. We can form the set because natural numbers start with the 1, 2, lastly less than 100 means till 99 we can form the set. Collection of novels written by a writer Munshi Premchand. It is also we can form a set because novels, they have specified the novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Collection of all even integer. We can form the set because all even integers are 2, 4, 6 to last. End is not there. That's why it is also called as an infinite set. Collection of all the questions in this chapter. So we can form a set because we will count how many questions are there. That's why we can form a set. Then collection of a most dangerous animal of the world. We cannot form the set because it is not well defined. The most dangerous animal, it can be lion also, it can be a snake also. Second problem, let A be the set of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs or does not belongs in the blank spaces. Now 5, is it 5 is in this set? Yes, that's why belongs to 8. 8 is there? No, that's why does not belongs to A. 0 is there? No, that's why does not belongs to A. 4 is there, that's why belongs to A. 2 is there? Yes, belongs to A. But 10 is there? No, because it is start with 1 and end with the 6. That's why 10 does not belongs to A. Third problem, write the following sets in the roster form. Just we have explained the roster form, that each element is separated by the comma. Here they had given the set in a set builder form, that is A, which is equal to the set of all. This colon is read as such that x is an integer and x is greater than -3 but less than 7. Which number will come in this set? A is equal to x is greater than -3 means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because these are the strictly less than 7. And it is mentioned that is integer, that's why 0 also will come, negative term also, and the positive term. Second, B is equal to the set of all x such that x is a natural number but less than 6. So which are the natural number is less than 6? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is the C is a set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. Sum of a digit is 8. Now we will 2-digit number they had asked, and their sum is also we want the 8. 17, 1 plus 7, 8. Second number 26, 2 plus 6, 8. 35, 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 44, 4 plus 4, 8. 53, 5 plus 3, 8. 62, 6 plus 2, 8. 71, 7 plus 1 is 8. Only these are the 2-digit number whose sum of its digit is 8. D is the set of all x such that x is a prime number which divisor of a 60. So only 2 and 3 are the factors of these 60. Means 60 is divisible by 2 and 3. These are the prime number they had asked. Now E is a set of all letters in the word trigonometry. E is equal to the curly bracket. We will write the letters T, comma, R, I, G, O, N. O is again repeating, so we will not write. M, E, and Y, because R is also we had written and T is also, repetition not required. Next, sixth, F is equal to set of all the letters in the word better. So F will become a set of B, comma, E, comma, T, comma, R, because 2 times T is there, and again 2 times E is there, so 1 time we will write E and T. Fourth problem, write the following sets in the set builder form. Now they had given here as a roster form. This roster form we have to write in a set builder form. 3, 6, 9, 12. It has a which common property we have to write. 3 means 3 into 1, 3. 6 means 3 into 2, 6. 9 means 3 into 3, 9. 12 means 3 into 4, 12. So A is a set of all x such that x is equal to 3n. N, comma, n belongs to natural number, that is capital N, and n is greater or equal to 1 and less or equal to 4. Means the value of n we have taken as a 1 also, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Second problem, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is a common property in these problem? We know that 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1, 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2, 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3, 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4, and 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Therefore, A is a set of all x such that x is equal to, what is the common property? 2 raised to the power, this is changing, n is changing, that's why 2 raised to the power n, set, comma, n belongs to capital N, that is natural number, and n is greater or equal to 1 and less or equal to 5, because here we have taken the value of n is still 5. Third problem, 5, 25, 125, 625. Again we know that 5 means 5 raised to the power 1. 25 means 5 raised to the power 2, 125 means 5 raised to the power 3, and 625 means 5 raised to the power 4. Therefore, we can write here A is a set of all x such that x is equal to 5 raised to the power n, comma, n belongs to capital N, n greater or equal to 1 but less or equal to 4. Means here the value of n we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is 2, 4, 6 and dot dot dot. Here we will take A is equal to the set of all x such that x is a even natural number. These are the even natural number and it is infinite set. That's why. So A is a set of all x such that x is a even natural number. Fifth problem, 1, 4, 9, 2, lastly 100 they had given. We know that 1 is a square of 1. 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 2, again then 16 will be there 4 square, to lastly 100 which is equal to 10 square. That's why we will write a is equal to x such that x is equal to n square, because these are changing. That's why in place of this we will write here n square. N belongs to capital N. And what is the condition for n? N is greater or equal to 1, because it start with 1 and end with 10. So less or equal to 10. Fifth, list all the elements of the following set. This they had given as a roster form. We have to write as a set builder form. A is a set of x such that x is an odd natural number. Which are the odd natural number? Natural numbers start with 1, but odd we want. That's why 1, 3, 5 to dot dot dot. Second, B is equal to the set of x such that x is an integer, but x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2 strictly. We know that minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5 and 9 by 2 means 4.5. We want x is an integer. That's why this set B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is greater than minus 0.5 and 4 is less than 4.5. Third, C is equal to x, set of all x such that x is an integer, comma, x square is less or equal to 4. We know that minus 1 square is equal to 1, which is less or equal to 4. Minus 2 square, which is also equal to 4, and 4 is less or equal to 4. Minus 3 square is 9 and 9 is greater than 4. We want less or equal to, means this will not the integer. 0 is less or equal to 4. 1 square is a 1 which is less or equal to 4. 2 square is a 4 which is less or equal to 4. So which is the set we will get? C is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Fourth, D is a set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So what we will get here? D is equal to L-O-Y-A. L will not come again. E is a set of all x such that x is a month of the year not having 31 days. Which are the month which are not having the 31 days are February, April, June, September, November. Sixth is F is equal to x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Now which are these consonant we want? So A is a vowel, we can't take. B, C, D. E we can't take vowel. F, G, H, I, and this is separated by the comma. J. Match the pair. Left hand side they had given as the set in that is set builder form, and here is they had given here as a roster form. We have to match the pair. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 is x is a natural number and divisor of 6. 2, 3. 2, 3 is a matching with the A, that is set of x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Mathematics, that is M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S, that is x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. And 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is match with this set x, set of all x such that x is a odd natural number less than 10. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.